on the way up, they do have ground markers, so that's really good to know. And here we go. Ooh. The water's a little cold, but here we go. Woohoo! It's slow, very slow. We're going, we're picking up some speed. Here we go. Now we're going. Here we go, big finish. I've always wanted to go down that slide. I can finally check mark that off the old bucket list. Ooh, they have a hot tub as well. The Cove Bar is open for drinks and snacks, and all of the chairs have been spread out 6 feet apart. Looks like there's a splash zone area for your little ones. And you are allowed to remove your face covering while at the pool. I am currently inside the community hall here at Bay Lake Tower. This is a fun place. We're watching Monsters University. Good place for your kids to come out and hang out. They have video games, a PS4, some couches. You can come in here and make Mickey tie-dye t-shirts. You can rent DVDs to take up to your hotel room. Pretty nice. We just got back to the room from the pool. Very fun time, but now we're gonna shower, change, make our way back over to the contemporary side because we're gonna try to have dinner at the Wave. They do have some reservations, but not until 8:30. What time is it? Like 6:15? Mm-hmm. 6:15 now, so that's a little ways away. So I think we're gonna try to just walk over there and see if they can get us in. If not, we'll just make the reservation. Who knows? All right, we have changed. We are ready for dinner. I must say, you look beautiful.
Oh, thank you.
I am a lucky, blessed man, okay? She had to walk away. I know I have been doing this a lot, but just listen. It's empty and quiet. Looks like the convention center is still closed. Oh, California Grill. I wish you were open right now. It's so empty. Disney Parks just uploaded the 4th of July fireworks that is supposed to be happening right now and tomorrow, but unfortunately, it's not happening. This brings back lots of good memories. There is nobody here in the main lobby of the Contemporary. Nobody. When do you ever get to see this? There's no cast members checking people in, because technically the Contemporary is not open for guests, only Bay Lake for DVC members. Nobody. This is crazy. The bar here at the Wave is open. Very good to know. Whoa, look at the Tron show building. It is massive. Look at Cinderella's castle at nighttime. Amazing. This is a view I have always dreamed of having from my hotel room. I have always wanted to wake up and have my morning cup of coffee and have this view of Magic Kingdom. So beautiful. I don't have a long enough lens to zoom right into Splash Mountain, but if we look real close, they are testing the logs right now. So that means Splash Mountain will reopen with Magic Kingdom. Hopefully, because they are testing the logs. As we see, one just dropped right there. I will say, it is really cool seeing the cast members open Magic Kingdom, even though It's not open for guests right now. They are still getting everything ready. They just brought over another monorail from the monorail holding station over here. We can already hear the music from Magic Kingdom. We can see most of the rides already going for testing. Really cool. It is time for a 4th of July Disney giveaway. I did pick up one extra Disney face covering. It is themed around Black Panther. It is sized large, so it will fit most adults. All you have to do, make sure you like this video, subscribe to the channel, and leave a comment down below, and I will randomly select one of you guys to send it to. Good morning. It is currently the next day. I don't know what is up with these Disney beds and the Disney pillows, but I always sleep like a baby when I sleep at a Disney resort. Unfortunately, we were only here for one night, but it was amazing. Everything I wanted and more. We are currently packing everything up right now because we have another surprise for you guys in tomorrow's video, which I am very excited about. But what did I think of the room overall? I loved it. It was the nicest DVC studio I have stayed in, and I've stayed in probably 4 or 5 currently. I really like how they had the kitchen separated from everything else, and of course you have the bathroom separated, then you come back through the hallway, you have the bedroom. But I think what makes this bedroom so awesome was the theme park view. I believe if you have the extra cash or the extra points, just upgrade and get a theme park view. It is worth it. I mean, I was out on the balcony for hours just looking at Magic Kingdom. The rides were still going, the lights were still on, and I could hear a few announcements from inside the park, so that was pretty interesting. My one and only complaint is I kept hearing my upstairs neighbors. What time was it? Like
almost midnight.
Almost midnight, and then a family checked in and arrived to the room, which I find interesting because I thought the rooms were supposed to be socially distant. But since this is a adjoining room, I heard these guys midnight also. Was it midnight?
Yeah.
I mean, it lasted for about 30 minutes, but that was kind of annoying because this hotel ain't cheap. Very expensive to stay here at Bay Lake in the Contemporary. I don't know, just my thoughts. Everything else I loved. I loved it, but when you can't sleep for a little bit of time, it's just a little annoying. I don't know. And hopefully one day I'm lucky enough to stay here one more time because it was just that awesome. The guest service here and the views, just very accommodating. There's a lot to do here for activities with the parks not being open. I am very impressed. I hope you guys were too. Thank you guys so much for watching. If you enjoyed today's video, go ahead and give it a thumbs up. Subscribe if you guys are new here because we do this quite often. Make sure you're following me along on Instagram and check out all my links down below. I love you guys. Please remember, it's nice to be nice, and YouTube, I will see you in the next video. Happy 4th of July, Prince Charming.
I am feeling lonely, and I wanna admit it's time to end the ride. Fading it too slowly, with those gonna lift me up this time. You were the only one who got me tripping up inside. All the words you told me, am I reading something different from your eyes?